Right here we have New Women's Business Center. All right. At a table. Have Irene right here. How you doing? Good, good. Just seeing you at your event. What was that? Was that Wednesday? Yes. So they don't disappoint. They're right back at the Super Mixer. Have all of their stuff right here, which is really nice. Kind of let everybody know exactly what they got going on. To know you have resources is very important. Right? To have a face, to stand in front of the brand is really important too. So it's really important. It's good. You guys have any events coming up?
Yes, we have 80 to 90 webinars a month.
Welcome to the Champions Playbook Business Consulting Firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. Just go to thechampionsplaybooktcp.com and download our secret sales growth guide S to immediately lay the foundation to multiply the sales for your business. Okay.
We have Spanish, we have women in technology, fashion, women in entertainment.
Okay.
Spanish Swami, 12 steps to launch a business.
All right.
And general webinars.
There we go. So they got everything for sure. So if somebody's looking for you guys online, what's the website?
u-wbc.org.
Okay. Got you.
Spin the wheel.
Okay, let's spin it. See, we're gonna go right. We're gonna go right with the wheel. Good quality spin. Got a book. What kind of book did we get?
Of the entrepreneur.
There we go. So spun the wheel. Got this book. No, not live. No. This is good. Reading is one of the most important things to do. Have it in my routine. Do it every day. This is another great book to add to the collection. All right. You always have to evolve. It's very important. So we look to get to this book as soon as we can get to it. You know, we'd like to thank them for being able to bless us with such an incredible piece to add to our minds. All right. Appreciate you guys. Keep doing incredible things for entrepreneurs and people that want to be brave and take care of their business. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Now you see, this is what they're doing. Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champions Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.